A private Snapchat post about slow walkers and a shooting. Snapchat locks the account. And then the FBI shows up at school. We're playing the entire encounter and auditing the law as it happens. Here's the frame: true threats versus jokes, school safety rules, and juvenile questioning basics. Watch the first act now.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So, Mom's on the phone, just as a courtesy. I know she's got track practice today, so we want to make sure that you guys at the school knew and what you guys want to decide as far as what she's going to do. So, you can explain to them, do you mind?
Okay, so this morning, I made a post to my private story on Snapchat, to my private story on Snapchat, there we go. It was just to two friends, and it just said something about how I hate slow walkers and something along the lines of shooting up the school, basically. And Snapchat flagged it, and they locked my account. I can't even show you what the post is because I don't have access to my Snapchat account anymore. And yeah,
and
that's
we
how
got
we're
notified
here.
from the FBI about the snap because it came back to an IP address, I'm assuming here.
Legal note: speech that a reasonable person takes as a serious plan for violence is a true threat, not protected by the First Amendment. Schools can respond to off-campus posts if there's a material disruption risk. Back to the clip.
Because
So-
since there was only two people, it had not even gotten, no one could have even screenshotted it to spread it around. It's not a thing. It was
And
just
your-
a dumb joke.
Your
That's not
profile's
really fun.
and
Did you get the FBI? Did they give it to you?
do we have the?
I can go check the cabinet, but
Yeah. And no weapons in the house, right, Mom?
Mom?
No weapons in the house. No FOIA cards. No history. No arrests. No.
You're 18, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So, and she's got track practice today. So,
Okay. Well, track practice is not going to happen. Okay. I don't need to talk to Mommy. You're 18, so.
Okay. Mom.
I'll talk to him. Can I talk to Mom real quick? I'll talk. I'm Mr. Tate. I'm assistant principal at the school. And so, how you doing, Mom?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing okay. So, just in our protocols, just want to make sure you understand. Obviously, we have to get this cleared through. It's got to go through the FBI to police, and then everything's got to get cleared through the police before we even can talk about her coming back to track or even school. And then we have to get all the information. And I know I heard somewhat of the story from your daughter, I was saying something with shooting. We have to actually see what was written, and then we go from there. So I'm going to ask her to keep her at home until it gets all processed out. It might take a day or two. Once we have it processed out, then we'll give you a call and her a call, because police, yes, if she's 18, she gets to make that decisions, but how school board works is they said, you live in your parents' house, so your parents still have a say until you graduate.
Okay.
Because,
Right.
so right now, a lot of stuff's got to get cleared up, Mom, before she can come back to school, just because we don't want to oops.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, Mom, or just so you know right now.
She can get her assignments and all that stuff though, right? That's no problem.
Yeah, we can inform teachers and staff about Google Classroom, and if it goes too long, which I don't think it will, but if it goes way too long, then we generally get her on what's called a VLA program, a Virtual Learning Academy, so that she can do her work from there.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, Mom, just so you're aware right now, I'm going to take your daughter to the police department, okay? And we're going to have a conversation there.
Victor 56 status?
I'm sorry?
One more time, Mom.
Where you going?
To the police department.
To the Villa Park Police.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll be there in a minute.
Well, okay, you should be waiting in the lobby till we're done, okay?
I'm sorry?
He says that you would just have to wait
Let me
until
get
the
a
lobby.
let me get a
until-
cage unit here.
Okay.
Parents should be involved, and just talking can still produce statements used later.
Do you need to come in here
Yep,
at all?
I can't leave you alone right now. If you have some sort of ID, you can bring that with you, okay?
It's in my car. Can I
Okay.
grab it on the way out?
Yep, absolutely.
Sorry, my room's a mess.
Don't worry, hey, I was a teenager too once. There's no other dependent in the house that you're looking over? Just you?
Yeah, right now it's just me. My brother lives here.
Where's your brother?
Really. He's at my dad's house.
Okay, all
My
right.
parents are separated.
All right, lock up. Ms. Willis, do you have anything on you?
No,
No?
I don't even have pockets.
Okay, all right.
Thank you. This is my car
Yep.
right here, the gray green.
All right, just go ahead and grab your ID. All right, Ms. Willis, just so you understand what's going to happen right now, we're just going to go to the station to talk. You are not under arrest right now, okay?
Okay.
I have to call the FBI.
Okay.
Obviously, you understand this is up here now.
Yeah,
Okay. So, we're gonna find out what they have to say, and then we'll go from there. Okay.
Okay.
Legal note, for juveniles, Miranda is required for custodial interrogation, not every conversation.
Realize how really serious it was.
I believe you.
Yeah.
We know that now. So we just got to go through the motions here, and then, the more the school knows too, the cooperation and all that stuff, the clarity and the transparency, the easier it is for people to move on from, and you get back to the business of getting ready for ISU. All right?
Yeah.
Maybe put on your seatbelt, and I'll meet you at the station right now. Okay.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
There you go.
Final segment, station discussion and next steps.
And in your own words, what would you put on there?
It was like I'm a slow walker, but I'm not a snail. I'm so annoyed. Like everyone's walking so slow. Like I actually what could I say? I'm trying to think of the correct wording. I said something like, "I'm literally gonna shoot the place up" or something.
Well, this is what's going to happen right now. I'm still waiting for the FBI to call me back. In a minute here, I'll grab your phone and ask you to forward me those emails from Snapchat. I don't know what Snapchat's policy is at all. I'll have to contact them in the appropriate time. Right now is not the time. Just understand that you are 18. This is even though you started off at school, this school normally, if you were under the age of 18, you would still be dealing with the school and their process. Now they're still going to happen. They're probably going to wait for me to let them know specific information, and then I'm going to have to screen this with the state's attorney.
Can you explain that?
So the state's attorney is the court system in DuPage.
Mm-hmm.
I have to call them, and I have to explain to them what I have, and then pretty much they will decide, not us, they'll decide if they are going to want to charge you criminally for doing this. Okay, I have no control under that. I don't know what they'll say. To tell you the truth, at this point or another, I can't even call them right now because I don't have that screenshot. I don't know officially, and I'm being very honest with you. Okay, I don't know until I have that physically to have to show them because they're gonna ask for it. Okay, but that's where you're at right now. Again, at this point, you are not in custody because I don't have evidence. I have what you're saying, which is your statement, but I have to physically be able to see that Snapchat, and that could take a couple of days. Okay. Now I appreciate your honesty. You've been very honest with me, and I hope that you feel that I've been very honest with you. I've been trying to explain to you the process. There's multiple possibilities. I don't know what the school's going to do.
Recap. Private story is not private to platforms or law enforcement. especially after a safety flag. Just joking is not a legal shield if the message reads as a plausible threat. Schools may temporarily restrict access, while police, and here the FBI, review evidence. With police or agents, route speech through a parent and lawyer. Never assume off the record. Want a one-page social posts and police guide for teens and parents? Comment "post guide" and we'll pin it. Laws vary by state. This is educational, not legal advice.